Hello there, welcome back to another video, and this video is all about how to install free AI in VS Code for PHP developers. So at first you have to install VS Code in your PC. This is really simple. Just go to the browser and go for the VS Code official page and download the Windows version, and you have to install it in your PC. I already installed it in my PC. Here you can see VS Code. I already open a project here. I'm going to remove this, and here you will find something like this, and there will be a welcome page. Just remove it, and after that you can go to the extension. From here we are going to install two extensions. One is Codium, another one is Tabnine. So go for the Codium. You can see Windsurf plugin, so we are going to install it. Kindly, Codium is known as Windsurf. So Windsurf is basically Codium. Now you're going to click here install to install it. Now click here trust and publish, trust, publish and install, then it will be installed. And after that, we will actually go for the Tabnine. So go for Tabnine. Now here you can see it's successfully installed. Now we'll click here open. And from here, we have to actually log in to our account. So to log into your account, log in through, let's say, GitHub or Gmail account. So basically, I'm going to actually log in through my GitHub account. So I'm going to click here in the GitHub, and then I have to actually log into my GitHub account. So my username is Tanvir and password is. So now I have actually logged in through GitHub account. Here you can see. Now here you can see we got here Windsurf chat. Okay, fine. Now if you add here any code, and let's say for the specific portion you want the explanation, so you can actually ask for the explanation. Okay. Now we'll actually go for the Tabnine. So let's go back to the extension, and from here we are going to add Tabnine. So we're going to search it, and here you can see legacy. Okay, so we'll actually go with this one, and now we'll click here install to install it. Trust, publisher and install, check it. All right, here you can see I've successfully installed it. Now you have to actually log into your Tabnine account. So now this time we are going to use Tabnine basic. You can actually go with the pro version also, but through the basic you can actually complete any project. Okay, here we go, we have Tabnine now. Now we can actually click here in the accounts, then here you can see sign in with Tabnine. So we'll actually click here sign in with Tabnine, and now we'll click here open, and we are going to log into our Tabnine account. So I try it with my Gmail account, and here we go. Now I have actually logged into my Tabnine account. So I have cleared my account through Gmail. So you can actually replace Cursor AI through this Tabnine. Let me show you all the steps. Let's say I want to create here. I want to add here a PHP project at first. Okay, I'm going to go to the E drive, and here I have jam folder. So I'll go inside the jam, then htdocs. Then here you can see I have a folder called online shop AI. So I'm going to add this folder here. And let's say this is my code, and now I want to explain. I want explanation for this portion. Okay, let's say. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go to the Windsurf. From here, if I right click on it, okay, here you will find all the options. So you can see Windsurf explain selected code block. So we'll click here, and here in the left side it will be explained. Here you can see. So this code snippet is written in PHP, and it represents a sections of web page that display three features: free shipping, secure payment, and 24/7 support. Here you can see. So it explains all the things, right? So this is why actually we use Windsurf. Now let's say I will show you how you can actually use Tabnine. So I'm going to actually create here a new file. Let's say I'm going to say here test.php. Here I'm going to say create a login page. Okay, and I hit enter, and here you can see it actually showing me suggestion. So if you okay with it, then press tab to complete this and hit enter to go to the new line, and here it will now generate if you want anything extra, and after that you can actually remove this text, okay, from here and save it. Then you can see you don't need to actually run here, write here any code, right? So Tabnine will complete the code for you, and Windsurf will explain the code for you. That's it. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.